snack time. What did it say? Hold on, y'all. I'm checking mine. Okay. It wasn't nothing. So, about to make a snack. Rinse these off over here. And my water over here. Y'all, I'm about to go to this this school for so I can learn how to make my own beats. Just cut it. So if you want to make these, they're very easy to make, and they're very nutritious. So hold on, I gotta find my my bagel season, guys. Yeah, people keep and I keep telling y'all, I don't know if y'all keep doing it to be smart, but I always tell people, and any other content creator will tell you too, that we don't like it when you put other people's name, like content creators' name, in our comment section, because it makes it like you talking about them. And people keep doing that. Like I told y'all before, I wish the best for everybody. You know, anybody that I had some hard times with at first, I wish them the best now, because I'm, you know what I'm saying? I done changed. So you need cream cheese. So I don't want y'all coming in my comment section telling me about what some other content creator is doing. I don't care what any other content creator is doing. Okay? I mean, if it's somebody that I really deal with, yeah. But if it's somebody that I really don't care too much about, just don't put nobody's no content creator's name in my comment section. Try and be nice. If you keep doing it, I'm gonna just have to block you from my channel. But I just hope everybody's doing well. You know, this is a new year. Don't want no the year to come in is a lot of negative. This is not what, you know, I want on my channel. This is a very positive channel, and I'm trying to keep it that way. And it seems like people just want to come, you know what I'm saying, with negative stuff about what somebody else is doing. Who cares? If that's what they doing, let them do it. Let them live their life. So that's all you do. You put the cream cheese on there. You put however many pepperoni you want, and then you put the what is it? Everything's bagel seasoning on there. And I know y'all like, huh? Yeah. This is definitely a treat. This is like a veggie pizza. And if you wanted to, you could actually put marinara. You could do marinara sauce if you wanted to. Put a little marinara sauce on there. You could do the little cream cheese. Maybe put some Parmesan cheese and the cream cheese and put it on there with the with the spaghetti sauce, pepperoni, and everything's seasoned. Mm-hmm. Mm. Well, this seasoning does have salt in it, so you don't have to put that much on it. Mm. But I actually got this off of TikTok. And at first I was like, I ain't gonna try this. Well, at first I was like, I ain't gonna try that. That don't even look good. Mm. Y'all gotta try it. I forgot. Hold on, y'all. I forgot. I forgot the what you call them? The other peppers, like the yellow peppers. Oh my God, the yellow peppers, y'all. They are so freaking nice and sweet. I gotta get some because I forgot to get some while I was at the store. But I went to Whole Foods. Yeah, make sure that when you make sure that you wipe it out so it's not spreading all over the place. You'll get a nice good spread on it. And you don't have to put a lot of that because this has salt in it. Mm. Hmm. Mmm. Yeah. Mmm. I think I'm gonna do an ASMR eating. I don't have my Yeti plugged up. It's acting up on the phone. So when I do it, it's probably gonna be on the on my computer. Hmm. I'm about to block this number. They keep calling nonstop. It's spam. Well, it's like It's like they keep getting different numbers. So if you block them from one number, I'm like, then they call you again and they see they block, they get another number and start calling. I'm like, who does this all day? Like, y'all must not have no life. Y'all must not have no life. Y'all gotta do this all day. Call somebody all day. Call somebody. And then when you answer, they hang up. It's so stupid. That should be harassment. Like, they need to get this stuff under control. Here, y'all. There you go. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-mm-mm. And you gonna lose a lot of weight, too. You're getting all the nutrition. You got the other trial put me in about the guy that convicted of mm, unaliving his wife and son. Hold on, let me see. They said he was a lawyer, but like he was doing all kinds of fraudulent stuff, still fraud and stealing money. And somebody said he knew he was gonna get caught, so that's why he unalive his wife and son. Well, he has another son that be in the courtroom. Yeah. I don't think this is the same judge that did the Nathaniel Rollins case. You know what is going on? Are they having court trial? So the older son, I think he's on his dad's side. Yo, I don't see it. I don't see it. But he did. Triple X did have a lot of positive, words to say before he was taken out. Because he was talking about, because a lot of people be like, you don't need nobody. I mean, you don't, but in the end, when you do make it, you gonna need people. Because it's gonna be lonely, especially when you have all that and you can't even share it with nobody. And you can't share it with nobody? Oh no. I'm gonna save this because I can put this in. I'm making chicken, so I'm definitely gonna show y'all how I'm gonna make this chicken. I'm cooking it in the air fryer. I'm telling y'all, if y'all ain't cooked chicken in the air fryer yet, you don't know what you missing, honey. You do not know what you missing. And I put that on everything I love. You don't know what you missing. Got all these emails. And most of it is junk mail. I like being on the internet, but a lot of times I don't like being on social media because they watch everything you doing on the internet, and then they start to spam you. Even you don't have to. Some people talking about, no, you must have signed up for something. No, you don't have to sign up for nothing for them to start spamming you. They just do it. They just start on it. Mm, 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 good. You getting all the nutrients because this is raw. I don't know. Some foods I can't eat raw. Like Broccoli, broccoli and cauliflower. I can't eat it raw. It tastes funny. But do you? I can. I can eat carrots. This is my last one. I don't know if my husband have tasted these before. I don't think he has. And if he don't like it, he will probably want it. He would probably want it in like the air fryer, which is fine because I've seen people do it in the air fryer too. And you can't forget your. This is a tab. Don't want to go crazy on it. You can carry these at lunch. Pack you a little lunch of these. I bet you don't mind people like, what you eating? What's that? And when you tell them, you know about, oh, you eating that raw? I don't like when people do that. You ever had somebody, you sitting there eating your food, and they'll be like, ew, what is that? And you be like, or you just say ew at my food, like, get out my face. But a lot of people don't know nothing about eating vegetables, eating raw vegetables, like really eating it, really getting the nutrients from it, not cooking it. Because when you cook food, you take the nutrients out of it. Uh-uh. No, ma'am. Yeah, but that was a good little snack. Oh, I could eat them all day. For real, I could eat them all day. But tonight, I'm definitely gonna make this lemon chicken. And I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut up half of this. I got some of it over there, but I'm gonna cut up half of this. I'm gonna stuff it. You know, no, do it like I would do any other chicken, and I'm gonna put it in the air fryer. Which I'm probably gonna have to Google it how long it's supposed to stay in there. I mean, it's a small little bird. But I'm still gonna have to Google how long it's to stay in there, and we'll see how it do. But yeah, that was it, guys. If you try that recipe, please hit me in the comment section and let me know, because I can tell you one thing. I didn't think that I was gonna like it, but after trying it, this is my new love snack. I love it. It's just so delicious, because I was trying to find like different recipes, because I love pepperoni. And I was trying to find like different recipes where I could eat them and not feel guilty about it. Because I just felt so guilty about eating pepperoni, especially when it was on pizza and then you had the sauce and the cheese. And I'm just like, I gotta find a recipe. But thank God I came across that nurse on TikTok. And that's how I found that recipe. Like a lot of recipes I find, they be on TikTok. And it was a nurse eating that. And she, she pretty much showed the recipe. And I was like, you know what? That sounds like a good idea. Let me try it. See if I like it. And I ended up liking it. I always get these pepperoni caramel. These are turkey. So that's another reason why I don't really feel bad about eating them, because they're turkey. But if you want to cook it, you can. You can definitely cook it. You can put it on a grill and grill it. You can put it in the air fryer. The air fryer cook it nice and crispy, and you can eat it like that. You don't have to eat it raw. If you don't like raw food, you don't like it. That's your preference. But you can definitely warm them up. I'm sure they're just as good as if they're cold. The pepperoni gonna be nice and crispy on there. You get that nice crispiness. Maybe I'll try them warm. I don't know, but right now I like them like this. So guys, thank you so much for joining me. I'm hoping that this trial is coming on soon. So we'll have to see. I think they're in a different time zone. I think they might be in a different time zone. I'm not for sure. I think they are though. So I will see you guys in another one. Please like and subscribe my channel. Also hit the bell notification so you can know each and every time your girl uploads a new video. I love you guys. Always thinking about you. Until next time, it is your girl, Everything's Me. And I will see you guys in another one. Peace.